everyone, welcome to Upskills Hub YouTube channel. Today's video we will talk about the best programming language you should consider learning in 2025. Whether you are just starting out or looking to expand your skills, choosing the best language for your field is super important. So grab your notebook and let's dive in. Today, Upskills Hub brings you the best way to choose the right programming language in 2025. So get ready and follow each tips careful. It's going to be great. Upskills Hub care on your success, growth, and running better to improve your skills. Yeah, may sounds nice. Okay. Let's talk on our today's content called the best programming language to learn in 2025. Yes. As you know, if you are going to choose something, you should think wisely, and there is many things can make you do best choice. So, in our video, we shall see the things that can help us to consider before choosing the programming language to learn. Perfect. The first thing you have to consider before choosing the best programming language to learn in 2025 is think about your career goals. Yes. Ask yourself, what kind of the project do I want to work on? Yes. I repeat it again. Ask yourself, what kind of the project do I want to work on? The second, do I want to build a website? Yes, mobile apps, games, or dive into data science. There is a many example you through the think what can I do? What can you start? Yeah, this is like this example. Yeah, let's use example for better understand. Web development. Web development. If you plan to run web development, yeah, start with JavaScript. Yeah, start with JavaScript and data science. Yes, and game development. Yeah, we have that in the web development. Yeah, start with JavaScript when you are going to learn a web development. And when you are going to start learning data science, try to be friendly with Python programming language. And if you are planning to study game development, be friendly with Go for C Hash or C++. Yes. The second thing you have to consider where you're going to choose the best programming we shall learn in 2025. Yeah, they start with beginner friendly language. If you are new to coding, pick a language that are simple to learn. For example, if we're going to study a Python, Python is easy to read, syntax, and perfect for beginners. And if you want to study JavaScript, great for web development, yes. And Scratch is for the kids or complete beginners. Yeah. The five things you have to consider when you are going to choose the best programming language in 2025 is consider the demand in your region and desired industry. On that tips is research which languages company in your area are hiring for. For example, Python and JavaScript are global in demand, and JavaScript is popular in finance and enterprise system. And lastly, solidarity in hot in blockchain and Web3 development. So you have to choose what the industry for your area is hiring for in order to be aware for what things are around you. Yeah. Let's go to the four things you have to consider while choosing the best programming language to learn in 2025 is think about the community and resources. A strong community means more tutorials, formulas, and help when you get stuck. A languages with a larger community, yeah, is like a Python, JavaScript, and Java. So that I'm sure that you understand that tips. So let's go on fifth things you have to consider while we're choosing the best programming we should run in 2025. That thing is that long-term variables quickly that some languages are quick to learn while others offer deeper career paths. For example, quick start, there is we have in Python and JavaScript, and in long-term growth we have C++ and Java and Go. So be sure for your goals. Maybe it's long term or quickly that. Yeah, and choose the best for you. So our things we have to consider is certain things. Yeah, you must be aware for what you are going to choose and see careful if you are choosing a better programming language according to your things around you. Yeah, let's go on. Best programming language by field. When you complete to choose and you have to set a programming language while you're going to run. So here I'm going to explain you the best programming language by field. The first you have is web development. Web development contains two parts. There is a front end or user interface and back end or server side. In the front end we have HTML, a CSS, a JavaScript, or is that a core web language? Yeah. And we have React.js or Vue.js for dynamic website. In backend side, we have Node.js or JavaScript. Yeah, is that for same languages for frontend and the backend. And we have Python, easy to use and the flexibility. The fact we had in backend side is PHP or Ruby on Rails, while widely used in a traditional web page. So the second best programming we have is mobile app development. In mobile app development, we have Kotlin for base for Android, Swift Perfect for iOS, Flutter One code base for both Android and iOS, React Native in another class platform options. The third is data science and artificial intelligence. Python, yeah, it's for choice due to libraries like pandas, transformers, and the script lang. R strong for data analysis and visualizations. SQL for handling databases. Julia IDEO for heavy computational tasks. Yeah, I think it is very understandable. Yes. The fourth is game development. In a game development, we have C Hash, like popular for two-dimensional or three-dimensional games, and we have C++, great for higher performance games, and you have JavaScript for simple browser-based games. The fifth we have is cybersecurity. So in cybersecurity, we have Python for automation and scripting, C or C++ to understand system level security, JavaScript for securing web applications, SQL to manage database and vulnerabilities. So six we have blockchain and Web3. We're having solidarity to breed smart contracts. And second, we have in blockchain and Web3 is the laws known as for security in the blockchain project. You have JavaScript for building Web3 interface. Um, and seventh is cloud computing and DevOps. And that cloud computing, we have Python and Go for automating cloud services, Java, often used in larger scale enterprise system, Bash and YAML, essential for working with DevOps tools. Yes, I think you understand where the programming language you have and its categories. So I think you are going to choose better and running better according to your situations or things around you in order to make our best decisions. Yeah, let's talk on tips for success. Whenever you're opting to do something, you have to set how your success will be like. Yeah, or what will you help you to be success? Yeah, for what I can prepare you for today, the tips for success is a first way. Like a web developer, you must learn how to mix and match languages. A web developer may use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Python in one website. A data scientist may combine Python with SQL. Practice with your project. Yeah. Bridge simple website is another thing that can make you be successful, and a data dashboard or small mobile apps. Yeah, and stay updated. So tech involves fast, follow trends and explore new tools. Yeah, is another tips for success. So by the end, um, we see that choosing the right programming language depends on your goals, interests, and industry demand. Start simple, stay curious, and keep breathing. So, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and happy coding. Yeah, and the things one is think about your career goal is a cool and really amazing.